All right, all loaded up, ready to go. We're gonna head out. I got a few stops to make before we hit the road. We gotta get some gas and some Subway. Good morning, everybody. Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to any fathers out there. Today me and my dad are gonna go up in the bush, just slowly cruising around, looking for some lakes that we never found before, and some that are a little off the beaten path. You might have to hike in a little bit, maybe do a little fishing. Hopefully we catch something, but even if we don't, it's always a good time. So make sure to stick around, and hope you enjoy. We made it to the first lake. Not a very good spot to put the boat, bit of a trail down. This lake's called White Lake. It's really nice though. I caught one little fish already, but of course I didn't have the camera going, so I can't prove it that I caught it. But yeah, beautiful day, nice and sunny. But we're gonna carry on down the road. Let's see if we can find some more lakes that we haven't been to before up here. It's quite the trail in here. I think I'm gonna go up and try not to fall on my face. Yeah, what a beautiful spot, eh? It's just a shame that not a good enough spot to get a boat down. I didn't bring the boat today anyways, but through the bush we go. Yeah, it's a trail down. And then this would be the camp spot. The person wanted to camp here. And there's an outhouse right there. Place to take a dump. I'm trying to find this lake, but I'm getting super wet. I don't know if I'm going the right way. No, this isn't gonna work. Back to the truck. Okay, so I found another trail. So maybe this will be the one down to it. Sounds like it. Looks like people used to drive down here millions of years ago. I don't drive down here. Not a chance. I should have brought my fishing rod just in case. But I don't think properly all the time. But it does look cool. I'm hoping it opens up into a lake. A lot of brush and stuff's been cut in here. Hope we don't run into any bears. That would be tragic. Especially since I don't have my bear spray on me, because I didn't think this was going to go this far. It's so brushed in, like you can't even... The lake could be right there and I wouldn't even know it. Are we gonna find it? I think so. I think this is gonna lead to it. Yep, it does. Ooh, can you guys see what I see? Fresh lake. I'm gonna be huffing and puffing on the way out though, I'll tell you that. Oh, that was just the wind? Yeah, it's just the wind. Just the wind, Stu. What's down here? Oh, I think someone left a boat down here. Yeah, I can literally smell the fish. And it's not me. I promise. There's 2 boats down here. Oh, look at the moose. Moose prints. Yeah, somebody's left 2 boats down here. Nice little aluminum. I wonder if it's good fishing in this lake. Thought I heard something. Nice. So that's the only access to get to this lake. And it must be pretty decent because people left a boat down here. People aren't going to leave boats at a lake that sucks. So one day, I might have to come back here and plan and do a little fishing. Borrow one of these boats. This one's got a little bit of damage. I don't think I'd want to hop in that, but the aluminum boat looks good. But all right, let's hike back up to the truck and make sure Dad's still there. Oh man, feel the burn. Feel the burn. Well, we found Dad and made it back up to the truck. Now we'll have to back up and somehow turn around and carry on to the next destination. All right, backing up. It's pretty tight in here, but a couple of war wounds on the vehicle, a couple of nice scratches. What can you do, though? Hey, look, it's a little grouse. Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. Dumbest animals on the planet. Looks like there's a deer there. Just a little guy. I'm not afraid. I think it's a buck. There he goes. Oh, maybe not. They're deer that they're running up. Hey there, buddy. Curious, not scared. Come staring right at us, eh? And off they go. Right as we got to the lake. This is Cold Scar. Been here a million times, made a million videos here. Pretty windy out, but it's a nice day. No bugs at all, which is super surprising.
Right side of that log. Go over there. On the right side of the log.
Look at the fish swimming around. Decent size little guy.
Yeah, a pound anyhow.
Yeah, that's cool.
There's another one.
Oh yeah, oh, right there.
And I said, oh, I never see them. Wow, that one's a nice one. What if we had a fly?
That one right there is a pretty good one. No, I think there is 2. Yeah, that's so cool. I love seeing them like that. Look at the fish.
That looks like 16 inches long, but deceiving.
Pretty cool view of the mountains. Definitely high up. Truck's a little dusty, a little dirty. That's okay though. That's what it's for. It's a little thick, this trail, so we turned around. We don't know how much further it'll go and if there'll be any spots to turn around, so yeah, playing it safe. Hey, as you can see, we're now back at my cabin. I didn't film much on the way down because it was pretty straightforward. We left that really overgrown area and just slowly headed back down. But it was a pretty cool day. We found 3 lakes that we'd never found before, so that was cool. We also saw 5 deer, 3 buck, 2 doe, 3 or 4 grouse. We saw a black bear, 20 rabbits, and this is the coolest thing ever. And I'm so bummed that I didn't have a dash cam, so I didn't get to film it. But we found a hawk, literally flew right out in front of the vehicle, and then went down the same road we were going down, and he had a rabbit in his claws. It was insane, like once in a lifetime thing. I really wish I would have got it on camera, but it was still super cool to see. It was a good Father's Day with my pops. And yeah, if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Much appreciate it. And also, if you made it this far to the video, comment down below hawk. Thanks for watching. Peace.